These are just our cinnamon roll grands.
I love the grands.
Open up one more package so we can really fill up our Christmas tin. Woo. Save the icing for later. Quickly, just cut these into your fourths. So 2 quick cuts, fill up your pan. You can do this in a regular pan if you don't have a Christmas tree pan, but I wanted a festive Christmas breakfast.
I love that. It's definitely one of those little touches that kind of makes a difference, you know?
Yeah, right?
Just makes it fun for any party, or if you have like a slumber party or something like that with your kids.
All right, I think that's perfect, right?
So perfect.
Okay, now we're gonna make these super yummy. They're not just gonna be any basic cinnamon rolls. We're gonna do some heavy whipping cream right on top of those cinnamon rolls.
Nice.
Just kind of get them smothered in it.
Ooh, smothered, what a great word.
Right? Now we have one more thing we're gonna make to put on top. I have a melted stick of butter.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab some brown sugar.
Brown sugar, okay. Like where you're going with this.
Do a cup of brown sugar. Perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect measurements because this is just a quick and easy breakfast.
Okay, so you don't have to pack the brown sugar. It's just enough to make it sweet without getting crazy.
Exactly. I'm gonna add some cinnamon because I love cinnamon with my cinnamon rolls.
Yes, yummy.
And then just a splash of your vanilla. You can use the real stuff, but I can't afford it. All right, perfect.
Perfect. Ooh, I can smell that vanilla.
All right, and this is just gonna go right on top of our cinnamon rolls with the heavy whipping cream. Okay, let's mix it just nice. It's gonna be super quick.
Just a little whip right there. It really, with that melted butter, it just softens the sugar. Oh, delish.
Nice. Okay, yeah, now we're getting somewhere. That looks perfect.
Oh, look at that. Yes, it does. Ooh.
Okay, now we gotta just drizzle it on top, just like what we did with the... Ooh, it smells so good.
Oh my gosh, it does.
Okay.
Yummy.
Perfect.
Wow.
That is it. Christmas breakfast is ready.
Oh
I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this for the instructions that's on the cinnamon roll wrapper. Look at this beautiful Christmas breakfast.
That is beautiful.
All right, let's see if we can get this baby out.
Okay.
Are you feeling optimistic?
I am. I want to see this flip. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
All right, let's use the back of a knife. Oh, it's coming out.
It is. Oh my goodness. I want to see it.
Look
Oh
how
my
good
gosh. That is beautiful.
Right? Okay. Doesn't that look so good, and all that delicious cinnamon butter mixture that we put on there?
It is steaming. Look at those beautiful rolls. Oh my goodness.
All right, I'm gonna dye my icing with a little bit of green dye right here.
Okay. Just regular food coloring?
Yeah, just regular food coloring right into that icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, don't waste this the icing there. That's
This is kind of like a little monkey bread cinnamon roll breakfast, and then just right on top, make it nice and beautiful.
That is beautiful. I love the zigzag.
Yeah, just a little mixture. Everyone gets their icing.
Yes, and it's just a drizzle. I like you didn't overpower it.
Yeah, because there's a lot of sugar already on there.
Yes.
Okay, and then I'm gonna do some sprinkles as our ornaments. Ooh, this is so cute.
Oh my gosh, it really is. I
Christmas
love this.
brunch, Christmas breakfast, Christmas Eve, whatever you want to
So
make
versatile.
it for. All right.
Look at that. ooey gooey deliciousness.
Now it's time to chop the head off.
Oh man, you're digging in.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I love the bite-sized pieces. Look at that.
Right? It really makes it like so easy to serve.
Yeah, it really didn't fall apart or anything. That's
the
amazing.
Cinnamon roll is perfectly cooked with all that deliciousness.
It really is. It's good. Oh my gosh.